You heard that right. In this video, I will be showing you how to start earning $20 with just a click of a mouse. This money-making strategy will help you earn quickly as you will be given the opportunity to collect your hard-earned money in just 24 hours. You don't have to worry about paying a fee or providing your card details because everything I am about to show you will be absolutely free. You can also do this wherever you are in the world. So, even if you are not from the United States, you can still access everything. I will also show you how to successfully sign up for a website and start making money. After that, I will show you one great trick to increase your earnings by 25%. So, guys, make sure you stay until the end of this video.
Welcome to the Limitless Money channel. If you like this video and want to see more money-making videos, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button below. Also click the notification bell so you will get notified for updates and new videos. Leave a comment below and share with us what you have liked so far.
To begin, open your browser and open up gptplanet.com. GPT Planet allows its users to earn money by doing simple tasks like watching ads. And by signing up for a free account, you can access online money-making opportunities. There are also no costs associated with signing up or making your first transaction on their platform. In addition, if you can refer users to the website, you can earn money in exchange. In addition, members can make money here, and advertisers can get their sites in front of more potential customers. For instance, if you want to advertise on GPT Planet, you may do so for as little as $1 per 1,000 clicks. Soon after, you'll have simple access to adding your rotation plan, built-in anti-cheat safeguards, a wide variety of advertising options, and more. But if you sign up as a member, you'll have access to helpful staff whenever you need it, a comprehensive click history log, the opportunity to earn up to 100% of referral profits, and more. One of the many fantastic things about GPT Planet is that you may begin withdrawing your money with as little as $1 in your account. Skrill, Neteller, Payer, Perfect Money, and a Bitcoin wallet are just a few of the available payment options. And if you want to get paid through any of those networks' websites, you'll need a verified account. Some of you might wonder, so how do I actually make money with one click of a mouse? It's actually pretty simple. If you want to make money by clicking advertising, GPT Planet is where you need to be. And one click is equivalent to 1 cent in dollars. After signing up for your free account, you'll see just how many others have done the same thing to make money online. Moreover, another great thing about this platform is that they will continuously pay you as long as you work. To start making money, you may visit their website and look at the many advertising businesses they work with. Paidverts, Neobucks, and many more are just a few examples. There will be a wide variety of firms to choose from, and I'll be here to advise you on how to maximize your earnings. If you're serious about generating money with this method, you should seriously consider going with Paidverts. Many people are using Paidverts, therefore, you know it's legit. And if you compare their pay rates to those of other GPT Planet firms, you'll find that this one offers the best compensation overall. Scarlet Clicks is another option worth thinking about. Since it opened its doors in 2009, users of this company have been able to make a profit. Furthermore, the firm paid over $1.5 million to its customers. So, if you want to make more money than your competitors, you should pay attention to these two firms. And now, I'll use Paidverts as an example to show you how easy it is to generate money online. On your browser, go to GPT Planet and then choose Paidverts. If you click it, a website with a picture of boxes should load. If you select one of the checkboxes, a new tab will open with ads. Each time you click on one of the boxes, you'll earn 1 cent. And then, the sum of all your clicks will be added and deposited into your account. After finishing the tasks and checking off all the boxes, you can cash out either $5 or $6. And once you've finished checking out all the boxes, the website will offer you the chance to win a bonus. Now, if you meet all of these requirements, for instance, you may be eligible for 2 bonuses in the form of monetary compensation. In the end, you'll get more and more rewards based on how much of this task you've completed. Many people have found financial success with this method, so don't miss out on the opportunity. All you need to do is repeat this one easy step over and over again, and you will definitely end up with a lot of cash. And since you've made it this far in the video, I'm going to share with you a bonus. What I'm about to tell you about is a website where you may earn 100% commission on any referrals you bring. So now, go ahead and enter gptplanet.com/forum.php into your browser's address bar. Locate the Register button after it loads, and you'll be sent to a page where you may fill out an application. You'll need to enter personal details to the website, like your username, email address, and password. You will also be asked to submit the payment account details into which the website may transfer your money. The next step is to click Register after checking the box that reads, I agree to the GPT Planet guidelines. You may advertise links, gather support from other users, and locate various forms of payment verification on this site. In case you haven't noticed, this site has visitors from all over the world. They were compensated between $50 and $100 daily for their time and effort, with an average of 10 to 20 referrals received daily. Guys, I also promised earlier that I would provide a strategy that has the potential to boost your income by as much as 25%. Just think about how much money you might make using this simple strategy. Now, I want you to open up a new tab and type freemouseclicker.com in the browser's URL box. Using this free mouse clicker software, you may program your mouse to click on its own at predetermined intervals. Triple-clicking the left or right mouse button is also an option. You may also choose how often the mouse clicks for you. Once that's done, you may relax while the mouse clicker does all the work. Using free mouse clicker with the 500 milliseconds delay setting, as shown on their website, may allow you to quickly and simply break the most blocks in Minecraft. According to the online guide, you may reduce the speed to 1 millisecond every click. The auto clicker may be programmed to click at regular intervals for as long as you choose. Since the placement of the photos is fixed, this tool works exceptionally well with GPT Planet. Whether you're using a desktop computer or a mobile device, automating your clicks is a great way to boost your earnings. And that's about it. So, what do you think of this online money-making strategy? Quick and easy, right? Let me know what you think in the comments section below.
This is the Limitless Money channel, and we'll see you in our next video. Please feel free to see one of our other videos by clicking on one of the videos on the screen.